Hi, Amy Drab here from Foundations Medical Center. I want to talk with you today about ways that you can cut down on the sugar intake over the holidays. Let me give you a few ideas that I actually use. So one thing that I do is I substitute stevia for the sugar in my recipes. I have a particular product that I really have enjoyed and used quite frequently from Whole Foods. I'm going to include the link below so that you can actually see it. And you can use it 1 for 1 cup of stevia for 1 cup of sugar. So that's also kind of nice to be able to take the guesswork out of it. Another thing I would like to mention is alcohol. Many times people consume their calories and their sugar through alcohol. I have a particular product that I really enjoy. It's called Dry Farm Wines. And again, I'll have a link below so that you can take a look at that. But it is low sugar, lower carb, and free of the 70+ industrial additives that you may find in other wines that are commercially produced. It's free of glyphosate and organically grown. So in many cases, you will not have a hangover the next day. That's another bonus. So anyway, just wanted to let you know some of the things that I have used that I've really enjoyed over the holidays. And I hope you have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Take care.